Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for honest reviews on the latest household items. Today, we're diving into the world of dishwashing with a product that's been making waves: Dawn Powerwash Gain Original Dish Spray. Now, before we get started, let me tell you why this is not just any ordinary dish soap. In fact, it's earned its place as the best organic dishwashing liquid available in the market. First off, let's talk about efficiency. This product boasts an impressive claim. It removes 99% of grease and grime in half the time compared to Dawn non-concentrated. Yes, you heard that right, half the time. But what sets this apart from other dish soaps? Well, it's not just about cleaning power, it's about the innovative formula. Dawn Powerwash contains 3 cleaning boosters not found in traditional dish soaps, making it 5 times faster at cutting through grease. Now, let's talk convenience. Ever wished you could skip the overnight soak and get straight to cleaning? It delivers the power of an overnight soak in just minutes. And here's the kicker: the suds activate on contact without water. That's right, no water needed until rinsing. So, for everyday messes, just spray the suds on, wipe, and rinse. It's that simple. But wait, there's more. Not only does Dawn Powerwash save you time and effort, but it also helps you save money and reduce waste. How? By reusing your sprayer and opting for convenient refills instead of constantly buying new bottles. So, whether you're tackling tough grease or just doing everyday dishes, Dawn Powerwash Gain Original Dish Spray has got you covered. Say goodbye to stubborn stains and hello to sparkling clean dishes in no time. And there you have it, folks, the ultimate solution to your dishwashing woes. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more honest product reviews. Until next time, this is Product Critique signing off.